What's up guys, my name's Costas and today we're installing the carbon fiber window trim pieces in the Subaru WRX VB. Let's get to work.
Start by doing a dry fit. Take your carbon fiber trim and overlay it where you plan on mounting it. If all looks good, move on to the next step. Grab a rag and 70% isopropyl alcohol. Thoroughly clean the mounting surface. Make sure to fully remove any debris or sealant that might be on the surface. Once the surface is clean, you can now apply the adhesive primer. The adhesive primers typically come in tubes, and if necessary, crack the tube open to saturate the sponge. Once that primer is dried, you can now apply the carbon fiber trim. Peel off the red backing and position it exactly where you want to apply the part. If necessary, feel free to peel the part back up if it's been misplaced and push it back down. Make sure there's a full seal between the carbon fiber part and where you are mounting it. Once you're confident that the part is fully applied, you are good to go.